National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Polk County in central Iowa, western Jasper County in central Iowa, north central Warren County in south central Iowa, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Norwalk, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Des Moines International Airport around 5:10 p.m. South Ridge Mall, Principal Park, and Iowa Events Center around 5:15 p.m. Des Moines, Pleasant Hill, Carlisle, and Iowa State Fairgrounds around 5:20 p.m. Prairie Meadows and Adventureland Amusement Park around 5:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Altoona, Bondurant, Mitchellville, Colfax, and Prairie City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 between mile markers 139 and 163. Interstate 235 between mile markers 7 and 13. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. A gale warning has been issued. Mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest